Namaste. Hope all are doing well. It's observational speaker Pooja Gupta front of you on your favorite channel Observational Facts. This channel is going to provide you one more update that is so beneficial for you. During this coronavirus lockdown, you have spoiled your every walk that has been planned by you. But it's okay. Coronavirus did not stop one thing, and that one thing is time. Time is still running, time is still moving, time is still yours. So let's understand how can we use this time. Well, there is a one well said statement by me that says time spending is natural, but time investing is an art. Time spending is natural, but time investing is an art, must be learned. If you spend the time, there would be something only interest, happiness, and just only masti. But if you invest the time, there is written back as a production for you or benefit for you that will give you so much growth. This is called the time investment. I don't know what you guys are doing. You are spending your time which there is no any return, or you are investing your time where there is a return back something. So I'm going to tell you how can you invest the time if you are interested to know. There is a one course that is so beneficial for everyone. I'm not saying for only the businessman or for youngers, elders. It is beneficial for every learner or every person who wants to grow themselves or who wants to see themselves as popular guy. This course is all about digital marketing. Earlier I used to think, what is this digital marketing? I don't need to learn because I want to become a professor or I want to become a writer. Why should I learn this digital marketing? But later sometime I realized digital marketing is beneficial for each single person. In this digital marketing, you learn many things. I will tell you 2-3 questions which will help you to understand digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Why is this important, and how can you get this knowledge? So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing means coming online, being popular online. Being visible online means dealing with the world of technical era. This online world, internet world, this is called the digital marketing. Marketing is all about when you deal something for earning or for giving, right? This is called the marketing, digital marketing, online earning, online growth, online business, online learning, earning everything. That's called digital marketing. Now, why you need to learn this? There are 5 benefits that you get from digital marketing. The very first benefit you get, online visibility, means you can come across the online customers who are connected with this digital world. A second benefit you get, business strategies. At this present time, each and every single person are just doing their business all online, means they are visible online through the dealing for any product or any services or any information. They are doing online business. You can know the Amazon owner who is earning so much because that is total a digital marketing, a digital business. There are more other business as well which are working online. So the third benefit you get from digital marketing is you can upload your post, blogs, articles and the business ideas that you are having, and that will come to so many people. Means you can make so many followers. Well, I really follow one statement that has been written by me. Don't be follower, just make the followers. Means just make the followers of people who will follow you. You must not follow somebody. You must follow but hiddenly for learning something. But for earning and for giving your benefit to somebody, you must make the followers, and you can only make if you are visible online. Means if you learn the digital marketing. So now what is the fourth benefit that you get? You get the opportunities. Obviously, you know very well online has so many opportunities to work to do. So if you want to create so many opportunities, so you have to be digital, you have to come online. A fifth benefit you get, that is called freelancing work. You must have heard that nowadays people are working from home. They are sitting at home and they are working. How they are working? They are working through the digital marketing. They are online dealing with everything and talking or doing their business. So that's why if you want to sit at your home and you want to work from your home, so you must be learning online course, and that is digital marketing. As you know very well, in freelancing work, if you are a writer, so there are many clients or many businessmen who are searching a writer to do their work. Like if I am interested in writing, so there are clients who are also interested to find a candidate to do their work, like copywriting, content writing, or there are many other types of writing, blog writing, article writing, email writing. These are the writings. If you are interested in the engineering, so there are still clients sitting for searching the candidate who are good in the engineering. So if you really wish to get the online works and do your works at home side by side for earning something, you must be online, and this online work can be done if you learn the digital marketing. In this digital marketing, there are many things to cover. I'll tell you soon what are these things to cover, okay? Or you can go through the Google as well to search about this digital marketing. A second thing I'm going to share with you that you can do in this free time to invest your time is other courses, other online courses. Just imagine that I am interested in writing, so I would go on Google and I would search what are the courses related to writing, and I get that there are many courses about the writing, content writing, blog writing, post writing. So there are many types of writing. I'm learning that online courses as well. So two things you have to do in this time. The first thing is digital marketing course, and the second thing is your interest and potential. What you want to do, whatever is your dream. Regarding that dream, search some other online courses that can help your dream to get ahead and get professional and get so much knowledge. That's all about today. I hope you got some information. If you really think that this channel is good and beneficial for you, be a good subscriber. Please subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you. Have a nice time.